Hi, my name is Jack from Jack and the Wolf here in the UK. Today I'm going to be using the CURLUP Control Crème. I'm using this product because sometimes I find that my curls have too much width, and this product is amazing for reducing that. It bundles my curls together and gives me a really cool result. Before I apply the product, I'm just going to go and shampoo my hair with the Moisture Repair Cleansing Conditioner, which is amazing for curls. So this is the finished result. As you can see, it's reduced the bulk in my hair, it's bundled my curls together, it's given me this really cool rock and roll style. Thanks so much for watching, and check out more amazing looks on our KMS Pro channel.